What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So for this video, I just kind of wanted to have a little fun with makeup. I want to create kind of like a really fun summery look for you guys. So I have no idea what I am going to create, but I do have something in mind. So I'm thinking just very summery, bright, vivid, colorful, you know, everything that's in style right now, just very summery, fresh, fun. I want to use the Riviera palette for this look. I kind of just want to use this pink color. If you guys want to see what I create, keep watching este video. Also, if you guys want to know how I got my lashes this long, go watch my other video where I talk about this bad boy right here. Actually, it's in Spanish, but why not, right? All right, you guys, let's jump right in. Okay, so my face is practically halfway done. I have my Fenty foundation in 320 on my skin. I'm gonna take Bahamas right there. Okay, so I'm applying this right above my crease. So not on my crease. Well, it's getting in my crease a little bit, but we're mainly just applying it above it. And I'm just making sure my color is really pigmented. I'm starting with just building up this color. So we're just placing it in the shape that we want our eye look to be. And I just want something like very like blown out, carved up. Ooh, so it's gonna look so pretty with the lashes. So we're just doing the same thing on this eye. Okay, so now that my pink is laid out, I'm going to cut it out. Okay, so because I want the cutout to be very natural, like I still want it to look like my skin tone, I am going to cut it out with my Fenty Pro Filter Concealer here. Okay, now that I did my cutout, I'm gonna take the same color in like a smaller detail brush. Now, I normally like to use the Morphe one. It's a lot smaller and it's a lot softer than this one, but this is the only clean one that I have at the moment. So I am just going to pick this up a little bit, just on the tip, and I'm just going to follow the cutout. Good. So now I am going to take a blending brush like this one. This one is from HIIII Cosmetics. It's super soft. So I'm just taking a little bit of this, a little bit of my banana powder, just like that much, just like almost like nothing. And I'm just going to run this on the edge of my shadow just to diffuse it a little bit. And very softly, like the smallest amount of pressure. And these are the lashes that I will be using. They're some dramatic lashes. I love how this came out. Yeah. Okay, so next thing that I wanted to make sure I do is throw some freckles on. So I'm going to use this Kat Von D liquid lipstick in Crucifix. So it's like a nice warm brown. It's a nice warm brown, the color, and I think it's gonna be perfect for freckles, but you guys know before you do freckles, you have to do everything else. So you have to do like your bronze, your blush, and your highlight before you apply your freckles. So I'm just going to add a little bit more bronzer and a little bit more of the blush that I ended up using. This is Coco Natty. This is the bronzer that I purchased from Fenty Beauty, and it is right now like my go-to jam. I'm going to use the 195 bronzer brush, and I'm just going to pick it up on the side. Okay, so I'm going to take a smaller brush, and I want to contour my nose. You know what? I'm just going to take my Anastasia brush. If you guys don't know, these Anastasia brushes that come with the palette are bomb for like nose contouring and also for like setting powder or brightening powder under your eyes because it's so small. Like this one's like so small and fluffy. Or you can use both of them for nose contour. This one is like perfect for nose contouring. So if you guys have that little brush still, then contour your nose. Okay, I'm gonna pick up like a pencil brush. I'm gonna pick up that Fenty powder, and I'm just gonna put a little powder dot on my nose, almost as if it's the highlighter. But we're doing it with powder this time. And then up here. Okay, just like that. Now I'm going to take my blush. This is Luminoso from Milani. So I'm just gonna do a little bit over my nose. Just kind of give that natural blush effect. A little bit of blush. What color to pick? So we have two different colors. We can either go for like a monochromatic. So this is Fresa by Dose of Colors. This is the I Love Sarai collection color. It's a liquid lip. So we can either do this one, kind of have like a little like Fresa pink moment. I think we're gonna do Fresa. So I think we're gonna do Fresa. Okay, the lips kind of got away from me a little bit, but it's okay. It's supposed to be like a fun summery look. This is the finished look. I think this look is really like fresh and fun. At least that's the vibe it's giving me. Also, you guys can customize this look. You can create something completely different. Like your lip can be different, no freckles or more freckles. You can do like more natural lashes, more dramatic lashes. You can do like a different color cut crease. I told you guys that this was kind of like how I felt after I saw like Rihanna's Fenty interview with Vogue, and then she just made me inspired like all over again. She just, you know, she said on her like Vogue interview that fashion is just about having fun and playing with clothes and doing things your own way. And honestly, that's what makeup is about. It's about having fun and just trying different things and just doing things differently. Let me know if you guys like this video, what you want to see next, if you like my little homage to the 90s. I think this was in the 90s. I'm pretty sure. And please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel. That was pretty much it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Adios.